Hello everyone, my name is Mr Gildea from Sing Education. In this video we're going to be doing a little warm-up activity called 8 stamps. Now this is a great little activity to get yourselves warmed up, ready, get your bodies warmed up before you do some of the other activities on our Sing Education YouTube channel. Now, let's have a go at learning this now. So it's nice and simple. You start off with 8 stamps with your feet, then you do 8 pats on your knees, then you do 8 claps with your hands. Then I want to see if you notice how many clicks I do. So listen to the thing all the way through and see if you can work out how many clicks I do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey! Did any of you spot how many clicks I did? Yes, I did 7 clicks because at the end, instead of an 8th click, I did a big hey, like that. So, let's see if we can have a go at that all the way through. So you do 8 stamps, 8 pats, 8 claps, and then 7 clicks and a hey. And see if you can get your hey to come at the same time as mine. Are you ready? Off we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hey! Fantastic. Really well done if you got that hey at the right time. Really, really well done. Now, let's try that all the way through again, except this time we're going to count in our thinking voices. Okay, we're going to put the counting into our thinking voices, but you can still shout the hey out if you'd like. Are you ready? Off we go. Hey! Did you manage that? Really, really well done. Let's try it again, but this time a little bit quicker. Are you ready? A little bit quicker. No counting in your head, sorry, counting in your head. Are you ready? Off we go. Hey! Did you manage that? Really well done, fantastic. Really, really well done. Now, just to get you thinking a little bit towards the end of this video, I want to try it now in what we call a round, where you can be in different groups, or you could try this with a partner at home or a parent or someone. And one person starts off with the stamps, and then the next person starts their stamps when the first person starts their pats. So they're one set behind. So I want you to have a go now. I'm going to go first, and I want you to come in with your stamps when I start my pats. Okay? Are you ready? I'll bring you in a little bit as well. My turn first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, hey! Did you manage that? Did you get the hey on my second, when I did the second hey there? Well done. Now, if you want to challenge yourself a little bit when you're at home with your parents or your siblings, you can try coming in after 4 stamps. So when the first person does 4 stamps, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The next group comes in. But you still count to 8 on each one. Really, really well done there. If you want to have a go at that again, rewind the video and go all the way through it. Well done. I'm Mr Gildea. I will see you in the next video.